Okay, so let's do this question. If you guys have a pen and a paper, please bring that out. We are going to find out the E by M ratio of an electron. So specific charge is defined as the ratio of charge to mass of a particle. Okay, we need to find out the E by M ratio of an electron. So what is specific charge? Specific charge is defined as the ratio of charge to mass. So we need to find out the ratio of charge of an electron. Can you guys calculate and tell me what this is? The charge is given over here and the mass is given over here. Find out what this value is.
Ma'am, can you explain the E by M ratio again?
E by M means charge divided by mass. Okay, so you need to, so charge of the electron is given, mass of the electron is given. You just need to divide those two things. Divide charge by mass and tell me what answer you get. Did you understand, Arna? Okay, so I was saying, Bhumika, there is one tiny little error, but yeah, please correct yourself. And it's a very tiny error. Like even if you don't correct it, I will still give you marks. That's fine. But yeah, there is one tiny error. Also, yeah, so I have one answer over here. We are just waiting for the others as well. Anybody wants more time? Akshani, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I'm trying to do it.
Yes, then I'll wait. Please finish it. Arnav, you need to write the units, and if there is a sign, you need to mention that as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Bhumika, it is right now. So the answer is minus 1.76 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram. So Bhumika got it right. Arnav also got it right, which is 0.176 into 10 to the power 9 coulomb per gram. Good job, both of you. So we'll just wait for everybody else to finish. So E by M ratio is nothing but charge by mass. Okay. So whenever somebody asks you what is the E by M ratio of an electron or E by M ratio of a proton, whatever it is. So E by M ratio is always charge per mass. E by M means specific charge. So whenever I say specific volume, specific charge, specific whatever, whenever I use the word specific, it means divided by mass. Okay. So over here it says specific charge means charge divided by mass. Okay. So that is why when in the question, if it says find out the specific charge of an electron, you will do charge divided by mass. If they say find the specific charge of a proton, you will do charge divided by mass of a proton. So that is what E by M ratio means. Is there anybody who wants me to solve this? So I'm going to proceed to the next slide. If you want me to wait, just type a message, or if you want me to solve, also type a message in the chat box and I will do it. Okay. So yeah, so the E by M ratio is 1.76 into 10 to the power 8 coulomb per gram, or even this answer is correct, 0.176 into 10 to the power 9 coulomb per gram with a negative sign. Even they forgot. Okay, so there has to be a negative sign. Okay. But yeah, that is the E by M ratio for electrons. So we have the mass, we have the charge, we have the unit charge, we have E by M ratio, and yeah, so AMU is called the atomic mass unit, and it is the smallest unit of mass. So yeah, so 1 AMU is, so if you are wondering what this mass is, I've represented in grams, kilograms, and AMU. If you're wondering what this AMU is, so AMU is called atomic mass unit, and it is the smallest unit of mass, and 1 AMU is equivalent to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams.